Hello grade 5 students, how all of you are doing? I believe that all of you are doing great. So welcome back to our another class for subject science. So last week we studied about does the sun move, and before that we studied about Earth's movement. Okay, so as you know that we studied about Earth orbits around the sun, but it also rotates on its axis. So today we will learn the Earth rotates on its axis. So I will read and then after that I will explain you. Okay, so the globe is a model of the Earth. As you can see, globe here on the book. Okay, it is shaped like a ball and it has a stick passing through it from the North Pole to South Pole. This stick represents the Earth's axis. In space, the Earth is not upright. It is tilted on its axis like the globe. The Earth spins all the time on its axis from west to east. We call this movement rotation. The Earth completes one rotation on its axis in every 24 hours. So find your country on the globe, put a piece of tape on your country. Now spin the globe on its axis and watch your country go round and round. This movement happens all the time, but we do not notice it. Imagine that you are in a vehicle that is moving very fast. You might be traveling at 120 km per hour, which seems fast, but the Earth is rotating on its axis at least 10 times faster than this. So activity 6.3. So I will explain activity later, so let me explain this first. Okay, so now so Earth rotates on its axis. So what is axis? So there is an imaginary like a stick. As you can see here, I show here this from here. So we cannot say it, but in a model, in a globe model, so it is like this. Okay, so this is called axis. Okay, and the Earth rotation is west to east, means from here, so you west to east. Okay, so it rotates like this from here to this, and it rotates counterclockwise. And this is a globe model and this is axis, and the Earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours. Okay. So now activity 6.3. Use a model to show day and night. The torch represents the sun and the globe represents the Earth. Shine the torch on the globe. This represents the sun shining on the Earth. Now spin the globe from west to east in the anti-clockwise direction. Observe which part of the Earth is lit up. Can the whole Earth be lit up at one time? Now place a sticker on the Earth. Continue to shine the torch on the Earth. Spin the Earth and watch the sticker. Is the sticker lit up by the torch all the time? As the Earth spins, say day when the light shines on the sticker and night when no light shines on the sticker. So how we see day and night? Okay, so let's have a look here. So this is a torch. Okay, so now this is a Earth. Okay, so now you can see B part of the, like this B, point B is in front of the torch. So torch, suppose a sun. Okay, torch represents sun here. So point B is in front of torch. So that means this part of Earth has day, because it is facing the sun. Okay, so this part of Earth is facing the sun, so that's why it has day, and this side has night. Okay, so now Earth rotates anti-clockwise like this. Okay, so now when it rotates, the A part comes in front of the sun. Again, this is sun. Okay, so the A part comes in front of the sun and B part goes on the other side. So now B point has night and this A point has day. Okay, so that's how we say day and night. Okay, and as you can see in the book on the picture, so you see half of the Earth is lit up. Okay, so that means they have day here, and the one that black, they have night there. Okay, and next, so we have 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, so here are some planets. Okay, so as you know, the Earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours. So all the planets rotate on their own axis. Okay, so and how long they take to complete one rotation? So have a look at here. Mercury takes 59 Earth days, so means nearly 2 months. Okay, so Mercury takes 59 Earth days to complete one rotation. Venus, it takes 243 Earth days. Okay, so one day 24 hours, so Venus take 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Imagine day and night there. So imagine if you have to spend a day or night over there, so how long it will be? So Earth 24 Earth hours, Mars 24 and half Earth hours, Jupiter 10 Earth hours. Okay, so Jupiter will have the shortest day and night, only 5 hours for the day or 5 hours for the night, or it might change. So but Venus takes longest time than any other planets to complete its one rotation. Okay, so now coming on to your task 1. So your task 1 is on page number 49, part 2 of your book. So 49, page number, exercise 6.3. So in this exercise you will complete the rotation of different planets. Earth is one of the planets in the solar system. All the planets in the solar system rotate on their axis, but they rotate at different speeds, and all the planets rotate at the different speed. Okay, so look at the data in the table. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to make one rotation. This means that the one day on Mercury would be like 59 days on Earth. Okay, so one day on Mercury will be like 59 days on Earth. Okay, so one day on Venus will be like 243 days on Earth. So now for your task 1 you need to answer the questions. Okay, what does rotation mean? Okay, so you need to answer this. When a planet rotates on its axis, what does the half of the planet facing the sun experience? Okay, so like, okay, when a planet rotates on its axis, what does the half of the planet facing the sun? Okay, so facing the sun experience means what they see. Okay, so what they feel. Which planet has the longest day? So which planet has the longest day? Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, like Mercury, one day on Mercury is like 59 Earth days. So Venus, one day on Venus is similar to 243 Earth days, similar to 1 year, like almost 1 year on Earth. Okay, So which planet has the longest day? If you lived on this planet and slept for half the day, how long would you have to sleep for every day? Okay, so you have to answer this question. Which planet has the shortest day? So which planet has the shortest day? So if you lived on this planet, how many hours would you be at school each day? If on Earth you spend about 6 hours of school each day. Okay, so check the longest day and shortest day. Okay, and they have two different questions for the longest day and the shortest day. Okay, so if you will have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me. I will be there to help you for your task 1. Okay, and that's it in the first video. I will see you in the next video. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today. And today we are learning about the Earth rotates on its axis. So what does it mean, the Earth rotates on its axis? Okay, so when Earth rotates on its axis, we see day and night, and it completes its one rotation in 24 hours. That's why we see day and night in 24 hours. But okay, so coming on to your task 2. So your task 2 is on page number 57, skill builder. Okay, so page number 57, skill builder. Complete a diagram of the movement of the Earth. Look at this diagram of the Earth. Okay, so on the diagram label the sun rays. Okay, sun rays, because sun rays, when sun rays come to the Earth, that's why we see day. Okay, and when we don't get any sun rays, we don't see day. Okay, so sun rays, that's why we see we feel heat, because sun rays are hot. So label the sun rays and the Earth's axis and rotation. Okay, how long does one complete rotation take? Okay, so how long? So you need to mention. Why does everywhere on the Earth's surface have some hours of daylight and some hours of darkness every day? So why we have, just question, why we have day and light? Okay, so answer these questions. On the diagram, shade the part of the Earth having night. Okay, so which part of the Earth having night? Shade. Okay, shade means just color. Okay, color black. Okay, so this is your task 2. Okay, so let me know if you will have any confusion, any doubts regarding task 2. I will be there to help you. So that's it. In the second video, I will see you in the last and third video for today. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today. And today we learn about the Earth rotates on its axis. What does it mean? Earth. So this is a globe model. Okay, so it's a we cannot see, it's an imaginary stick, it's a line. Okay, imaginary stick, we call it line 2, North Pole to South Pole. Okay, so and it's tilted, it's not upright. Upright means it's not straight like this, it's tilted like this. Okay, you can see here, it's tilted. Okay, and this is called axis. Okay, and the Earth rotates on this axis. Okay, and it rotates west to east, and the rotation of Earth is anti-clockwise. Okay, and the Earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours. Now how do we see day and night? So imagine this torch is a sun, so P point here, it's getting sun rays. So imagine these are sun rays. Okay, sun rays from the sun on this part. So that's why this part has day, and this part A is not getting any sun rays. So that's why it has night. So then Earth rotates. Okay, so when the Earth spun, then you can see the A part comes in front of the sun. So now this part is getting sun rays and this part is not getting any sun rays. So that's why A has day now and B has night. Okay, so and planets, different planets. So we have 8 planets in our solar system and all of them rotate on their axis, but they have different speed and different time to complete one rotation. So here are some planets. So planets and time. Okay, Mercury 59 Earth days. Okay, Earth days mean 59 Earth days. Okay, so Venus 243 Earth days. Okay, so one day on Mercury is similar to 59 days on Earth. So on Venus 243 Earth days. So it means one day on Venus is similar to 243 days on Earth. So Earth, as you know, 24 Earth hours, Mars 24 and a half Earth hours, Jupiter 10 Earth hours. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, so now time for your homework. So your homework is answer the question on page 87. So you have questions on page 87. So first fill in the blanks. Okay, and then copy the diagram and shade the half of the earth having night black. Okay, and the half having day yellow. Okay, so you need to find out which part is having night, which part is having day. Okay, so night part color black and day part color yellow. So you are going to explain the idea of night and day to a young learner. Plan how you could explain. So this one I will say, okay, I would say how would you explain how would you explain the idea of night and day? Okay, so what you need to do, so for question 3 you need to draw a diagram, okay, like this, label it, okay, color it and explain at the bottom. Give me an explanation, 50 word, at least 50 word explanation. Okay, I don't want to see a one line answer or one word answer. Okay, so give me at least 50 word answer. Okay, so that's it. So that's it for today. Okay, and thanks for participating. If you will have any questions about homework, you can ask me. I will always be there to help you. Okay, so thank you for participating. Take care, be safe, and bye bye.